Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find bandages on 99 Nights in the Forest. So usually they are in chests, but there's more chance of you getting it if you actually go to the hospital area. I don't remember where it is right now, but if you open up chests you'll be able to find it, or if you go to the hospital area, I think it's somewhere here. I actually don't remember where it is. I have to explore further for it, and I'm hungry, as you can see. Should I go back and cook? You know what? It's fine. This is just a tutorial, and if I don't find it, I'll probably just be dead. Oh my gosh, I can't find it, but there should be a hospital area, and you'll be able to find. Well, let me just eat these. Area, and you'll be able to find bandages there, but you can also try to find it in the chests as well. So yeah, that's where you can find bandages. It is a little bit hard to get by sometimes, which is annoying, but either that or you can find it in chests. You can just explore the map. It's getting late. If I die because of a monster, then I'm cooked. But yeah, that is pretty much where you can find bandages in this game. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.